Here he
bigger,
comes.
it's
I
going
want
to
to see him
grow and push
buck
that
again.
out, so.
Yeah, as long as it don't get any bigger, no worry.
Here he comes.
Huh?
Hold on. What?
Is that working on your knees?
Oh, look at him.
How old is that little one? 3 months.
Look, Anthony, you're missing.
When you're cold? Yeah. He's like, what are all these people? What are all these horses?
Did you just get them today?
Yeah, they just got here today. Now he's going to show off. He's like, all right, I feel comfortable. Gemma, no.
Gemma's like a playmate for me.
Okay. She